Hey everybody, Chris here. Dogecoin's price continues its rally into Monday. We're going to explore that in this video. Had a great weekend in New York City. Great music, great food, a lot of fun. Good times. Back in Boston though, and now as we start the new week, Dogecoin seems to be one of the only cryptocurrencies that's up over the weekend. Bitcoin kind of a laggard. We'll explore all of that in the charts going forward. With Dogecoin's price continuing to go up over the weekend, you would think there was an Elon Musk tweet or something going on with Elon. Nope, this is just buying. People are asking me, hey Chris, how come Dogecoin's price is going up? It's really easy. More buyers than sellers. People like Dogecoin's low price, figured maybe the bottom is already in. It's time to load up on more Dogecoin. So, more people buying Dogecoin, the price starts going up. That's always a good thing. Could we see another dip? Yes, we certainly could, and I've been calling for that. I think that's still going to come. So I'm going to be ready to buy on the next dip because it's looking to me like that's probably going to be the signal to me that it's time to buy. So as we go through the summer, yes, we still have these economic indicators still aren't looking great. We'll see how the stock market performs this week. That will certainly be a true sign as to whether we're starting this economic recovery or is there still a bigger thing like a recession looming. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I appreciate that. And also, be sure to check out my Twitter. Still going to have a Dogecoin giveaway once I get to 6,900 followers on my Twitter account at Chris Crypto. So please follow me there. Let's go ahead. Let's take a look at the charts. And I'll show you what I'm looking at. And we'll start here with the Dogecoin chart. And here's the trading that we've had over the past day and a half as Dogecoin has had a good little run here. So this is good to see, and we have volume ticking up as well. I'll show you the comparisons on that in a minute. Let me zoom out to the 4 hour. We'll get a better look at Doge, what Doge has done since hitting down here at about 4.9. This is on June 18th. The rise up to the high this morning, up 60%. About 60% gain there in Doge from the low on the 18th. That's a good run. Not a lot of coins doing that right now because we look over at Bitcoin. What's Bitcoin doing? Bitcoin is just flat and with low volume. So this isn't an overall crypto rally. This is just low volume on Bitcoin where Doge is seeing a big uptick on volume and the price going up as well. If we go out to the daily, we will see Doge has had 5 straight days of green candles. That's 5 straight days. Look at Bitcoin again. Nope, Bitcoin had a red here yesterday. Doge still in the positive. This is what I'm looking at though. I'm looking at this first big dip that Doge had on May 12th. From that dip, when we saw Dogecoin rise up and then come back down, that is the start of the pattern. This is kind of what we call a bump and run. What happens is Dogecoin comes up after a huge dip. We start that as our trend line. Dogecoin trades back down, comes back up, and then trades back down again. This third leg up, this could be the beginning of a bull rally. So what we see here in the blue circles, these are the 2 lows. That arrow points to the bump, and then what we could see is this run continue to the upside. That's what we'd be looking for, is that kind of action. Now, we have this larger purple downward triangle that Dogecoin is narrowing in on. With that, and I've been showing this for a long time, with that purple triangle, we could see a breakout coming as this triangle begins to narrow. However, I've got this orange vertical line here sometime around the middle of July. This could be the potential third dip. As we've seen 2 dips a month apart, we could see a third dip happening. So right now this is setting up as the possibility of a breakout with a possible dip. That's the dip that I'm kind of watching right now with Dogecoin. But that's kind of what I have my eyes on. Overall, if we take a look at CoinMarketCap, what we see is Dogecoin still in 10th, back up over a $10 billion cap, up 5% over the past 24 hours, one of the only ones in the green, except for Tron as well. How Tron is trading, that USDD thing, I think people are falling for that. I would be very careful about Tron right now. But everything else is in the red over the past 24 hours, except Doge. So, good trading for Dogecoin, people getting on the Dogecoin bandwagon. That's what I'm looking at. So, as we look for Doge trading the rest of the day, we could see a bit of a turnaround happen, but overall still a green on the daily. And as we zoom in onto the hourly, we're looking at a little turnaround, but this could always turn back up and Doge could continue the rally that we've seen over the past day and a half. So will we see that big Dogecoin dip in July? I certainly think it's going to come. Now, not guaranteed, of course, and if you're impatient and you've already bought your Dogecoin, that's okay. Overall, the long term, we still think Doge is going to do fine. Shorter term, could still be a bumpy ride. Got to see how these indicators play out, whether we're going to see this run coming up now or whether we're going to bounce and take another dip. I'm still looking at the dip. I still think it's going to be there. But that's just me. Hey, what do I know? Leave the comments below and let me know what you think. We got a big Dogecoin dip coming up, or do you think we're out of the woods and now it's just going to be high flying, clear sailing from here? Give the video a like, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. I appreciate the support. We'll see you next time.